juicy and round. Peel me and pass me around. I'm mango, golden delight. I'm pineapple, spiky but bright. I'm strawberry with seeds, you see. I'm blueberry, tiny and blue like the sea. I'm kiwi, fuzzy and brown. Cut me open, I'm green all around. I'm peach, soft and sweet. I'm pear, oh, I'm a tasty treat. I'm watermelon, big and cool. I'm coconut with water as fuel. I'm papaya, orange inside. I'm plum, I'm purple with pride. I'm pomegranate, full of seeds. I'm lemon, sour for your needs. Now you know us, 20 friends. Sing this song again and again. Hello, hello, we're the fruits, hooray. We're healthy, yummy, and love to play. Come and meet us one by one. Learning fruits is so much fun. Hello, hello, we're the fruits, hooray. We're healthy, yummy, and love to play. Come and meet us one by one. Learning fruits is so much fun.
Star meets butter, washing to watch it for you. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider spun a web so wide. Along came a breeze and took her for a ride. She twirled through the air with a happy little shout, then landed with a giggle right back at the spout. A butterfly came by, a flurry butterfly came flying through the sky. She saw the little spider and waved a wing high. They danced on a leaf and played hide and seek. Then the butterfly kissed her on the spider's cheek. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Brush, brush, brush your teeth every night and day. Up and down and round, keep the germs away. Use your paste and toothbrush to scrub them clean and white. Shiny teeth and happy smiles, morning, noon, and night. Wash, wash, wash your hands before you eat or play. Soap and water, scrub, scrub, scrub. Wash those germs away. Front and back and in between, count to 20 slow. Clean hands sparkle, wiggle, waggle. Now you're good to go. Splash, splash, bath time fun every single day. Scrub your arms and legs and feet and wash the dirt away. Comb your hair and trim your nails. Put on clean clothes too. Healthy habits every day are best for me and you. Healthy kids are happy kids. Let's sing it loud and clear. With brushing, washing, tidy ways, we cheer and clap and cheer.
Let's take a trip around the earth to see what animal sounds are worth. From jungle trees to desert ground, let's hear those animals make their sound.
Woof, woof.
Says the dog in the USA.
One, one.
Barks the pup in Japan today.
Growl, growl.
different, isn't that insane?
Meow, meow.
Goes the cat in France.
Meow, meow.
In Japan they prance.
Meow, meow.
Sings the cat in Peru. Cats talk different, just like me and you.
Moo, moo.
Says the cow in the UK.
Moo, moo.
In Germany they say.
Moo, moo.
In Turkey, what a sound. Cows all moo when you look around. In every land, in every tongue, animals talk and songs are sung. We may speak in different ways, but animals cheer up all our days.
Quack, quack.
Says a duck in Australia.
Ga, ga.
In China, that's familiar.
Coin, coin.
In France, what a laugh. Ducks all waddle and love to splash. So next time when you hear a neigh, or a roar or a baa on your way, just remember every sound is cool. Animals talk all around the world too.
Let's clap our hands and shout hooray for animal sounds from far away.
In a village by the hills lived a boy named Tom, chasing butterflies, singing a song. One day he found a path so bright, twinkling stars that sparkled with light.
He walked along with a curious smile, through the woods and trees for miles. Inside a cave, what did he see? A dragon crying quietly. Oh, Tommy and Flame, they're a magical pair, flying so high through clouds and air. With kindness and courage, hand in claw, they show the world love's the strongest law. Don't be sad, said Tommy with care.
I'll be your friend, I'll always be there. I'll call you Flame, your eyes shine bright. Let's fly together up to the sky.
They found a waterfall glowing like rainbows, and fields of flowers where happiness grows. They laughed and played the whole day through. Best friends forever, just them two.
But one day, dark clouds rolled in, the river was blocked and crops grew thin. Tommy said, Flame can help, you'll see.
My dragon friend will set us free. They flew together, strong and fast,
Clearing the trees and mud at last.
the river sang, the fields did cheer.
Flame was brave, the hero here.
The village cheered and gave their thanks.
With fruit and smiles in joyful ranks. Now Tommy and Flame under skies of gold sing of love and hearts so bold.
Oh, Tommy and Flame, they're a magical pair, flying so high through clouds and air. With kindness and courage, hand in claw, they show the world love's the strongest law. Oh, Tommy and Flame, they're a magical pair, flying so high through clouds and air. With kindness and courage, hand in claw, they show the world love's the strongest law.